Keeping your business books organized year-round is crucial for staying on top of your finances, tax filings, and ultimately running a successful business. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to keep your books in order without the hassle, and we'll use a simple software tool that will make it easy. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to offer you an exclusive free trial of the software we're using, just for viewers of this channel. Let's dive in. First, the biggest mistake most business owners make is leaving all the bookkeeping until the end of the year. This results in a massive pileup of receipts, invoices, and bank statements that can take hours to sort through. To avoid this, set up a regular time, ideally once a week, to organize your books. Even just 30 minutes a week will save you hours in the long run and keep your business books organized year-round. Start by separating your income and expenses. Every time you make a transaction, log it. Whether it's a sale or an expense, make sure it's recorded right away. The software we'll be using makes this super easy by allowing you to link your bank accounts and automatically track transactions in real time. Next, categorize your expenses. Create categories that make sense for your business. This will help you identify where you're spending the most and where you can cut costs. For example, you might have categories like marketing, supplies, and travel. When you categorize your expenses regularly, it keeps everything organized year-round and helps you during tax season, saving you time and money. Reconciling your accounts is also key to keeping your business books organized. At least once a month, match your bank statements with your records. This ensures you catch any mistakes early and keep your finances accurate. You can automate this process with the software we'll be using, which will compare your records with your bank transactions, making reconciliation a breeze. Another important tip is to track your receipts. Keeping digital copies of receipts is more efficient than stuffing them in a drawer. The software we're using has a receipt scanning feature that allows you to take pictures of receipts and store them directly in the app, linking them to the correct transaction. No more searching for receipts when it's time to file taxes. One more thing, don't forget to back up your data. You never know when you might face a technical issue. With the software we're using, your data is automatically backed up to the cloud, so you don't have to worry about losing anything important. And finally, don't forget about payroll. If you have employees, make sure their payroll is updated regularly. This ensures taxes are deducted correctly and your records are up to date. The software makes it simple to manage payroll and keep track of deductions. Key takeaway: to keep your business books organized year-round, it's about consistency. Regularly logging transactions, categorizing expenses, reconciling accounts, tracking receipts, and backing up your data will ensure everything stays on track. Remember, staying organized isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing effort that pays off when tax season comes around. And if you want to follow along with the tool we used in this tutorial, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. So, if you want to stay organized and take control of your business finances, click that link for your free trial and start managing your books the smart way today.